Hey, good evening. Today I want to dwell a little bit on the concept of exclusive accountability, especially to execute your strategy. So, I was helping a client of mine, um, you know, who have some really great strategies, and people in their current roles are coming together as teams and squads and trying to execute these strategies. um, and they have this frustration that we are not making sufficient progress. So I questioned the COO. I said, tell me, if this strategy doesn't work, is there anybody who can be held completely accountable for this? And that set them thinking, oh yes, we can't, because this company is also a very high growth company, and therefore if revenues keep coming, if growth keeps coming, then if the strategy doesn't get executed, that's okay. Is that acceptable from the point of view of tomorrow? For today, that's fine. So we kind of came to the conclusion that we need to work on the principle of exclusive accountability. That means we need to have some roles and some people out there who are exclusively accountable for the success of any initiative, of any strategy, and that creates that pressure and the force to get moving if things are not moving. Whether the revenue growth is 30% or 50% doesn't matter, because there is one neck to choke, and there's one person who is always uncomfortable if things are not happening. So as you go about executing any strategy, as you go about charting a new path, as you go about doing anything new, okay, I think the first step in ensuring success is to create exclusive accountability. That means one person who doesn't have any other responsibility except what the strategic intent is and what you want to achieve. I've always used it as a lever in achieving something new, which is take out my best people, okay, and give them something completely new, a BHAG, big hairy audacious goal, and ask them to do it, and they can't do anything else. That completely brings you out of your comfort zone and gets you cracking on this new big problem. So use exclusive accountability to do something big, to achieve something new. I hope you like the thought. Look forward to your comments.